In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put Perplexity AI in your make.com scenarios to generate the best information you could ever ask for. Whether it is about some specific topic to create some content ideas or content posts, or if you have, for example, a lead list full of your clients, you can get any information about that person with, of course, some digital footprint. He has to have some posts or whatever on social media, on Reddit, whatever place you can think of. If he has posted something, Perplexity will find it. So let's use this to our advantage and let me show you exactly how. So first, before I actually use Perplexity within Make, let me jump straight into Perplexity and show you how this tool works just quickly. So it's like I call it Google on steroids, because whatever you ask, it will give you an exact answer that is, in my opinion, way better than Google. We can see that Bitcoin has right now, it is on price 89,000. We have a graph that actually works. It works, which on Google, I don't know if you have ever tried to search Bitcoin, but I have some issues with it. We have other related questions we could ask. So show Bitcoin prices for chart the last 24 hours. All of these deep dive questions. Here on the left panel, we have some discovery. So For You page, top. We have spaces. So I have created AI news. So you can actually, we have finance, we have everything you want in Perplexity. I've actually done a deep dive video explaining this tool fully, but now you understand that it is working something like Google, but on steroids, as I told you. So let's get back to Make, and now actually let's start building. Firstly, I'm going to delete this module and go step by step with you. If you don't know anything about Make, you should watch my Make masterclass that I have live in this YouTube channel or in my Skool community, Future Minds AI. I have a whole section about Make and other AI softwares. Let's get into it. I'm going to click plus, we're going to search Perplexity AI and create a chat completion. So, Perplexity connection, super simple. As I said in my previous videos, I have showed you everything. We're going to use the model Sonar, and for the message, we're going to just click add item. Content is going to be, for example, what is nature? Like kind of a philosophical question, and you're going to see what it does in a minute. And the role, this is basically, the role is from who is the content coming from. So if we go with the role user, this is what you would do when you would type to Perplexity in the chat, as you saw previously, like 2 minutes ago. I typed, what is the price of Bitcoin? So this is literally like chat with Perplexity. You're coming from the view of the user. If I would go from the role system, now the content is the instructions to Perplexity. So I'm going to show you how this works in a minute, but let's just keep it simple. User, max tokens, we don't have to. Temperature basically means how much the AI module can use its creativity. So I'm going to leave this completely blank and let's just save it and run once. If you go here into search results, we have literally 18 bundles of results. So if we click expand here, we got the title. We have the title, then we have the URL to the, for example, article or something. We have the date of when the article was created, last update, when it was last updated, and the snippet of it, which is basically like a small portion of the text is here. Nature, according to Aristotle, is an inner principle of change and being at rest. So if we go here and we copy the, cannot even copy, sorry guys. We copy the link and we put it to Google. Boom, we have the article right here, Aristotle's Natural Philosophy. Whatever this is about, I'm not gonna read this, no one cares actually. If you care about this philosophy about nature, you can go ahead and, read it. And the source is the web, of course. So we can see what is nature title, all of this stuff. And now we have, within, I don't know, 2 minutes, we have like 18 articles about nature. What we can do right now is go here. So now that we have the result, we could either, for example, go here, save it into a spreadsheet, or we can use OpenAI to maybe expand on the articles or create our own articles, but basically use this as your ideas or content machine. Basically, this finds exactly what you need and a lot of information, very broad information in fact. So you can play with it. I hope you get it. In the future, I have planned to do some big research tools within Make scenarios, so stay tuned for that. But for this short video, we have the first part, okay? So finding something about some topic. What if we were to say and use more of the system role and everything, not what is nature, but example, right? So the user says Elon, who is Elon Musk. All right, so now if we want to use the system role, we have to put the system role as the first, or matter of fact, not like that, but we have to end with the user, okay? Always end with the user. So I just flip these two, and I have said the system role is in bullet points. And who is Elon Musk, okay? So we're going to go with temperature is going to be 0.5. Sorry, 0.5. Now with this, we have basically restricted the AI to not use much of its creativity. And now the module will search for Elon Musk about his companies and about his childhood. Okay, we have this result. So search result, boom here, Elon Musk. Elon Musk, born blah blah blah, is a businessman and entrepreneur known for his leadership of Tesla, SpaceX, Twitter, and XAI. Musk has been okay, so Musk has been something. Yeah, so we have the search results and everything. I forgot to say the search results are basically what Perplexity found. Yeah, you can use this for, of course, for whatever reasons you want. But if you want one complete answer, we go here to choices. We go down here to choices, collection, message, and here content. And we have this full-on message about Elon Musk, where he was born, regarding his childhood. So we have the childhood part, key information about his companies, and additional ventures, including co-founder PayPal, blah, 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 blah. So we have all of this messaging or all of this information about Elon Musk. And what we could do right now, pretty simply, go here, do ChatGPT completion, and create a custom email. I have done this automation. It is somewhere back in my old videos, but I gotta redo it because there has been some tweaks, some updates. Of course, AI is constantly updating, and that is exactly why I have my people inside my Skool community. We're constantly helping each other, improving their business wise, constantly improving their business skills, their AI skills, and also a little bit of coding. So yeah, join there. I hope you enjoyed this very simple video, very short one, but I have tried my best to explain Perplexity as a whole. So in the future videos, we can finally start building big automations. See you guys. Bye bye.